currently 2 p.m. Thursday, December 27th right now. I am in Pine River, Minnesota, and I am currently in Winter Storm Eboni right now. We are in a winter storm warning. We are currently forecasted, well, we were forecasted to get 8 to 12 inches. It's looking increasingly likely that we're going to break both of those numbers right now. We have about 7 to 8 on the ground right now, and some of the models are showing that we could get another 5 to 6, possibly even 7 on top of that. So we're looking like we're going to clear those numbers. Just going to go drive around the roads a little bit, get some shots of the storm, and hopefully not end up in a ditch.
Take me to Mars. Take me to Mars. Take me to Mars.
Currently 7:30 in Pine River. Conditions are going downhill. Roads are much worse. We're getting about 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and we've gotten a couple more inches of snow right now. So it's getting worse and worse out there. Driving around again like a giant idiot in the middle of a blizzard. So once again, let's hope to not end up in a ditch. It is now December 28th, and Winter Storm Eboni has moved off to the east and is going to torment some more people on the East Coast before the new year comes in. Here, however, we are cleaning up the giant mess to the left. Got about, depending on where you measure, 12 to 14 inches of snow around our area here. We didn't see very many high winds. Blizzard conditions were reserved mostly for the Dakotas. Both North and South Dakota got plenty of blizzard-type weather. Didn't get as much snow over there. Here we got more of the snow and less of the wind, but it still caused lots of problems. Businesses in town had to close down early yesterday. Luckily school wasn't in session, so that didn't have to be canceled, but still did cause some problems, and the roads were a total mess. Now we're just cleaning up all the snow that's left over, and well, we're waiting until the next big storm comes in. Until next time, thank you for watching Weather Unrated.